Hey friends, I just wanted to explain the subtracting eggs paper Craftivity. So you're going to need your basket that says subtracting eggs at the top. You're going to need your eggs that have been printed on this paper, and you're also going to need this paper right here. So I'm going to quickly show you what you're going to do. The first thing you should do is cut this paper out. You're going to cut out the bottom part here. So I'm just going to cut around this real quick. I'm just going to do a quick job. You, of course, can do a really nice job. So you're going to cut this out. Okay, and you are going to cut out some of these eggs. I'm just going to cut around them like this, but you can cut them out however you would like. Obviously, you can cut them out a little nicer than Mrs. Curry right now, because I don't want to take up too much of your time. So I'm just going to pick this many eggs. You can pick whatever number of eggs that you want. That's why we gave you plenty of eggs. I'm just going to pick 5 eggs for right now. I'm going to very quickly color them. I'm going to color, you can color whatever color you want also. I'm going to color them easily like this so that I can see the parts that I'm going to have in my subtraction problem. So you're going to pick however many eggs that you want. You're going to color them however you would like. And then you need to decide how many of your eggs are going to be inside the basket and how many of your eggs are going to have fallen out. Then you're going to glue them where you would like them to be. So for instance, I have 3 eggs that are in my basket and 2 of my eggs fell out. Altogether, I started with 5 eggs. So what I'm going to do is on my paper over here, I'm going to write my name. And remember, once you decide how many eggs are going to be in the basket, you'll glue it down. And how many eggs have fallen out of your basket, you're going to glue that outside of the basket. It says, my basket started with, and I'm going to write 5 because I started with 5 eggs. My basket started with 5 eggs. Oh no! 2 eggs fell out. That's how many you chose to put on the outside of your basket. And then it gives me a number sentence. So I started with 5 minus 2. 2 eggs fell out of my basket. How many are left over? 3 are left in my basket. How many eggs are left? 3. So that's how you do the math part of it. And then you can decorate your basket with crayon or markers. You can color the grass and all of that. Maybe hang it on your fridge. And you can hang it, of course, with this. You could glue this at the top if you wanted. You could glue it at the bottom if you wanted to keep it all together and then share it with your family later today. Great job, friends.